Good morning, everybody. This is Vicki. She's been doing her Shockwave treatments for about 3 or 4 weeks now. She started out with some left leg pain, and she's doing much better and had a really good weekend. And she wanted to take a minute just to share it with you real quick and how it's been going. Go ahead, Vic.
Hey there. Honestly, I was kind of skeptical about this process, but I was having so much pain in my knee and hip, and I thought for sure a knee or hip replacement was going to be in my future, so I thought I'd just take a chance. I have to say that since I started, it was instant. Even after the mapping session, I felt better, which I thought maybe was placebo effect, but it has continued to improve. This weekend, we went to a challenging weekend. We went through 2 airports with helping our kids with their children, babies, car seats. Had a wedding. I had zero pain, zero. And I have told a lot of people about this in just hopes that it can help somebody else because I believe it's helped me.
Beautiful. Thanks, Vic. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Bye.